How to protect your computer from getting hacked. Welcome to 2021. Cybersecurity is real and critical for everyone. Since the advancement of the World Wide Web in the 1990s, new possibilities spawning new industries have emerged. But this has also led to downsides in connectivity. Tons of spam emails have started to infiltrate personal email accounts, and dangerous computer viruses are wreaking havoc on personal and business networks. There has emerged a new threat known as computer hacking, which includes infiltrating your computer, tricking you into revealing private information, stealing your data, and using that data to extort personal information, including bank credentials. Sounds scary? Well, it is more than that. In today's video, we have discussed how you can protect your computer from getting hacked. Watch till the end of this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every week. What can happen if you don't protect your computer? First, let us try to understand the possibilities and dangers of what happens if you don't protect your computer from hackers. Financial crimes. Computer hackers can steal your private data such as bank credentials and use that data to make false transactions from your bank account. Corporate espionage. With the world being increasingly connected to the internet, companies can hack into other companies' devices and steal their personal information and use it to a competitive advantage. Vandalism. Vandalism is when hackers deface a website, that is, they destroy the files, content, and steal resources. Hacktivism. This is a form of vandalism where hackers can attack or destroy several websites for politically motivated reasons. The bottom line is that hackers can have a variety of motivations. Being aware of these intentions can help you anticipate attacks that could affect you or your business. 7 ways to protect your computer from getting hacked. Number 1. Use a firewall. A firewall is a software that is designed to act as a barrier between your data and the outside world. Windows and Mac OS already have built-in firewalls that prevent unauthorized access to your personal or business network and alerts you if any intrusion is noticed. Before you go online, make sure that the firewall is enabled. If your device doesn't have a built-in firewall, you can consider hardware firewall purchases from companies such as Fortinet, Cisco, etc. If you are a business owner, you could also purchase an additional business networking firewall. Number 2. Install antivirus software. Since malware and computer viruses are everywhere, antivirus programs such as McAfee, Avast, Bitdefender can protect your devices against unauthorized code that can threaten to harm your system. Antivirus software plays a major role in protecting your system. They can detect real-time threats and ensure that your data is safe. Once you install antivirus software, make sure that you run and schedule regular scans to ensure that your device is virus-free. Number 3. Install an anti-spyware package. Spyware is a unique kind of software that monitors and collects personal and organizational data. Spyware is designed to be hard to detect and is difficult to remove and tends to deliver unwanted ads that can run malicious websites on your computer. Spyware can also key store and gain access to your financial information and passwords. Anti-spyware such as Webroot, Norton, and McAfee provides real-time protection and blocks all threats from spyware. Number 4. Use complex passwords. Most of the times, we tend to go for simple passwords that will be easy to remember. This is not helpful when you want to protect your device and information against malicious viruses. The more secure your password is, the more difficult it becomes for the hacker to invade your system. Therefore, use passwords that are secure and complex, such as passwords that have at least 8 characters and include a combination of letters, numbers, special characters, etc. Make sure that you don't use any recognizable words that may represent personal information such as birthdays, etc. Number 5. Keep your device, OS, and apps up to date. Always install new updates that keep your operating system up to date. Most of these updates come with security fixes that can prevent hackers from accessing and exploiting your data. Also, make sure that you review your browser security settings when installing all new updates. Number 6. Back up your computer. If your computer data is already not backed up on your hard drive, you should do so as soon as possible. Backing up all your data is important in case of hackers succeed in invading your system and trashing it. This will help you rebuild your system quickly and efficiently after suffering any data or privacy breach and loss. Backup utilities that are built into OS, such as Time Machine on iOS and File History on Windows, is a good place to start. An external backup hard drive can also be useful in a crisis like this. Number 7. Secure your network. Routers typically don't come with the best security settings enabled. Therefore, while setting up your system, log into your router and set a password using an encrypted and secure setup. This will prevent hackers and intruders from infiltrating your network and messing with your settings. Therefore, you should combine security tools and antivirus practices to protect your computer and network from unauthorized access. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us, so please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.